I'm going to show you how easy it is to create and play presentations in Repeat Signage. So I'm just going to close down this presentation. And we start by selecting Create New Presentation. This screen shows you the pixels of your screen, which you can change for either landscape or portrait. But we'll just use this computer screen and click Next. And from here, you've got a selection of templates that you can use, but we're just going to go for a blank template and click Create. And this opens up the Repeat Signage Designer screen. So we're going to start by inserting banner pictures, which is a playlist of pictures with optional text. And add from this computer. I'm just going to go onto my desktop because this is where I put my pictures. And I'm just going to select a few and click Open. And you can also ask it to play a folder of pictures and click OK. And what we have now is a playlist of images which we can move around the screen, and we can also resize. But we'll just leave them there for the moment. I'm going to bring in a heading. So we're going to go to Insert Text Label. And I'm going to type in My First Presentation. And click OK. And again, you can move this around the screen. Now, each of the controls within Repeat Signage will give you options. So I'm just going to double click this. And I'm going to go up to font size. And I'm going to change this to 40. And I'm going to have a background color. I'm going to choose red. And the font color will have a white. And click OK. I'm just going to resize there. I want this to go the full screen width, so I'm going to right mouse click, choose size, screen width, and I'm just going to bring it up there. Now these playlist of pictures are moving rather quickly, so I'm just going to double click into the control. And on the banner general, it says delay between slides, and I'm just going to make this 6 seconds, just to slow them down a little bit. And click OK. And I want to make this full screen, so I'm going to right mouse click and make it full screen. Now I'm going to show you how to add an RS newsfeed. So we'll go to Insert RSS Reader. Now you can browse for where you've got your newsfeed, your XML file, but I'm just going to quickly show you how to add some manual text. So we go to Location Choice, manually add playlist items, and I'm going to add My First Presentation. And I'm just going to copy that and Control and V to paste it and click OK. And we'll add a second item created with Repeat Signage software. And again, Control and C to copy and Control and V to paste it. Now, if you click into the preview box, you can see that Scroller 3 will just give you the title of your playlist. Scroller 4 will give you the title and the second line. This is the text that you put in the summary box. So we'll just leave it in Scroller 3. And if we select RSS General, you can say how you want your text to scroll. So you can slide it, fade it, type it, or scroll left. We'll go for scroll left, and you can change the speed which it moves across the screen. Again, we can change the font size, so we'll just change this to a size 36. And if you're using a second line of description, again, you can give this a different size. And colours, background colour, we'll choose a blue this time. And we'll change the bullets to red. and we'll click OK. And again, you can just get hold of the corner and resize, drag it around the screen. And now, again, I'm just going to right mouse click, size, and do screen width. And just bring that to the bottom of the screen. And there we are. That's how easy it is to create a simple presentation. So what we're going to do now is go to File and Settings. And there's a little checkbox here which says Save the Content Files, which will save all your pictures and text together. And Target Screen Size is where you can select a different screen size if you wish. But we'll just click OK. And then we're going to go to File and Save As. And we'll save this as my first presentation. And click Save. And then File and Exit. And this brings you back to the main presentation screen. If you want to make any changes, you just select Open Existing Presentation and make your changes and save them. But we're going to play our presentation, find out where it's located, click Open, and now you've got your first presentation playing on screen.